Today, I'm unboxing and reviewing the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones 2nd generation. My name is Von Longmire and welcome to my channel. I'm an artist based in Chicago. Let's get right into it. Right out of the box, these headphones feel incredibly high-end. In the box, you get a Bose welcome card, standard safety information, the headphones, a vegan leather carrying case, a USB-C charging cable, and a 3.5mm audio cable too. Honestly, what first caught my eye about the headphones was the color because it corresponds with my brand color, followed by the Bose name. I haven't seen any headphones on the market quite like these. The headphones feel more like a luxury experience than headphones you get from a big box store. Switching gears, I'll talk more about the features. The first feature is that battery life is tested for up to 30 hours of listening, which is great. The headphones are rechargeable too. Taking a closer look at the headphones, the right headphone is equipped with volume control, a Bluetooth button, and a shortcut button which you can customize in the Bose app. The left headphone has the 3.5mm and USB-C ports. Another feature is Bose Immersive Audio, which creates a surround sound experience while you're listening. It honestly makes you feel more in tune with your music and a layered audio experience instead of sounding flat. Next, Bose also designed these headphones with their best noise cancellation yet, and that's probably the first thing I noticed when I tested them out. Once they're on, outside noise literally disappears, especially in busy places. Comfort-wise, these headphones are super soft and lightweight. The ear cushions feel plush, and I could easily wear these for long listening sessions while I'm painting, traveling, or just working throughout the day. Last month, I traveled with the headphones on a work trip, and it was really nice to turn on the noise cancellation feature while I was waiting for my flight. I was able to quiet down the loud airport and actually get some work done. Now for my final recommendation. Overall, these headphones feel like they're engineered for people who really want to get lost in their music. I would highly recommend the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones to business professionals who travel, artists who want to create, musicians, and just anyone who's doing light work. Because the headphones feel so luxe, personally, I won't be using these for the gym. These headphones do such a great job of eliminating outside noise that I'd recommend being mindful of where you use them. I mentioned earlier, I'm from Chicago, and in a city environment, you may want to switch to an awareness mode just to be more aware of your surroundings. Right now, in June 2026, these headphones retail at $449. These headphones are definitely a premium investment. While that price may be hard to justify for some, the combination of comfort, noise cancellation, immersive audio, and premium sound quality was well worth the investment for me. Well, that completes my review of the headphones. If you enjoy watching this video, I actually filmed a small commercial to promote the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Headphones on my social media, so go ahead and check it out. That's it for now. Thank you so much for watching.